Video we'll be doing a little unboxing right here. I just recently got a package. This is from DHgate. For those who don't know what DHgate is the Chinese version of Amazon, and I actually purchased a suit. Again, shout out to EJ and his fiance, or his now newlywed wife. Appreciate you guys for inviting me to your wedding and inviting me to your special day. So for people who are not familiar with what DHgate is something like Amazon, where you could pretty much buy whatever. You could go from like you could basically look up anything particular that you're looking for, like Amazon, but it's more of a niche, but you have to type in certain keywords for it to pop up. So for me, I actually typed in dragon embroidery blazer. So these keywords would actually bring up certain things, and this is what the suit that I got. There's various ones that you could actually get for a decent amount of price, and because there's an app for it, you could actually get it maybe even cheaper with these like coupon codes that they provide. So the color that I actually got was like a light gray. So let's see what it is. Because there's a lot of, my favorite color is gray, but so this is what it is. Because Asian sizes run small, you have to actually measure stuff. So this actually comes in a Ziploc bag right here. You can see the color. I'm not sure because the lighting makes it look like a beige, but it's more of something like this, but like the light. It's more of, think of like a cool gray, but a tone lighter than that. So like it's a 3-piece suit. So here's the slacks. Here is the vest that comes with, and it's all Ziplocked as well. And what's funny is that this, for me purchasing from like WeGoBuy and like third-party agents and things overseas from China, it takes so long. From DHgate comparison to WeGoBuy, it takes WeGoBuy actually takes minimal days, but then this actually went through customs several times, which I never understood why. And then what's special about this one is that the top, or the jacket per se, there is actually an embroidery of like a dragon on the jacket. So it's actually Asian style suit with a no collar. So as you can see here, it looks so. I actually got a 2X just in case, because you want the extra wiggle room, because you are going to be wearing a lot of I guess piece of clothing, and so you want to make sure you have that extra bandwidth, or per se like arm length, when you're reaching for something or you're stretching out. Just make sure your arms are safe, so it's not tight as well. So give you a first look. Ooh, I don't know. So just because this isn't tailored yet, we'll see how this looks. So I'm gonna give you I'll put the link in the description down below if you're interested. They do have several other colors. They have a black, a navy, a red one as well. So just to get you a first look, this is what it looks like. This is a 2X. I'm not sure if I need this tailored, but it fits fine. It feels like it's real thin, to be honest with you. I'm not sure if that's supposed to be the case, but I love the detailing of this. So yeah, I really like that. And it makes it look like a lavender low-key, but I'm not sure it's because of it, but this is straight. So this is my arm length for the 2X. I'll show you the measurement of what a 2X is. If you do decide to cop this, let me know in the comments below. This is more of like, yeah, dude, I just need a haircut and be like, good, man. I know they have suits for over $350, but for those suits who are at anything above that, I personally wouldn't go over that, because I truly believe you can get away with spending less than the $300 range. However, if you need a cheap suit and are not particular about the fabrics as well, you're not crazy about going over your budget, and just need a cheap suit, there are other options you could look at. So although I am unimpressed with the quality of the suit, I am impressed with the price. Because we can't beat $70, my personal opinion, alone, I would not spend $70. I would go above that $70 marker. If you guys have a mid-range or even a high tier range per se, or price range, let me know what was your budget. Did you go to a higher end store like Suit Supply? Did you actually buy a cheap suit, and did it actually work out? Have you ever bought a cheap suit and actually kept it? I noticed that buying higher end suits versus cheap suits are catering to the masses, versus like an expensive suit that's actually tailored to your body type means more than ever, because you don't want to look boxy, you don't want to have cheap material, super thin. You actually want good quality suits. Until the next video, guys, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Call me in the middle of the night when I'm stuck inside my mind, wishing we could start over.